I'm expecting one more person to come up. Okay, heart heavy at start, then light. So you were able to release your emotions because you were heavy because you were carrying too much of emotions. Okay, somebody has unmuted. I think.
I can share.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, I felt actually I needed meditation because I have been very stressed this week, and this has helped me a lot. And as I already told, I do once a week my pampering session, but this week was so hectic that this was much needed thing, and I really felt relaxed. And now, like just before the session, I had a very bad headache, but now it's completely gone.
Yeah. So that's why I'll tell you, you are getting headache because I would not say this is because of the hectic week that you have gone through, but this is because your energy were stuck at one place. The moment you release that energy, whichever is stuck, and it's like it's actually a compilation of too many things, right? When you are releasing something, you will feel lighter, right? So the guided meditation, what you have done in the beginning of the session, you can do that as well. That will also help you to ground your energies. The second thing which I have told you, this is your assignment for the next 24 hours, but throughout the week, as I said, not in mute, I think.
And thank you to Ankur. As you have fever, still you are attending the session. Thank you so very much.
Oh, okay. So Ankur, I think it is the right time that you have attended the session. I think it's time for doing some self-pampering as well.
All is my pleasure, and thank you for this session. I mean, I had attended a recorded session of yours, and it's really nice. And the good part is that you guys really smile and take the session, which is which really makes the worth out of it. And
okay.
And I have certain questions about your courses. I'll connect offline and
Sure.
I'll take